everyone. So today I decided to actually go looking for Star Wars Black Series figures in person. I went to Target because it was the first day that they were going to have the Galaxy's Edge stuff. So I was thinking maybe, just maybe, they would have something. And as you can see, I got nothing from Target. But luckily, next door there was a GameStop, and I picked up a Padawan Anakin Skywalker. Is one of the figures that I do not have currently. I thought it would go well with Kit Fisto and Koon. So I thought I'd go ahead and pick them up, especially since it was on sale. And then I thought they would go really well on the shelf. So today what we're going to do is unbox Padawan Anakin Skywalker. We're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox him, take a look at his articulation. Then we're going to take some pictures, and then we'll follow up by talking about the things that we like, don't like, and go from there. All right, so the outside of the box, it's the normal old Black Series with the red background. As you guys know, the new Black Series figures, they are going to be completely different. I've only received the Rebels of that line. A bunch are about to arrive this week, hopefully. Anyway, so on this side, we've got 110 Anakin Skywalker. We've got Echo 9330 going along to the back. We have Anakin Skywalker Padawan, a hero of the Clone Wars. Anakin was caring and compassionate, but also had a fear of loss that would prove to be his downfall. And again, just carrying along, it's normal Black Series. All right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing itself. We got our trusty knife out, and we'll go ahead and go from the bottom because that's been working really well for us. Don't need that. Boop. All right. And does he want to stand? He does. All right, awesome. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and get everything together here, and we'll take a look at Anakin's articulation. All right, so let's first take a look at the lightsaber. Yep, it's looking pretty good. It's looking like the lightsaber that we would expect to see for Anakin. So going over to the face. Face is actually pretty good, and then we've got the little hair piece there. I don't know, didn't do a great job up in here with smoothing out the lines in the hair. I always tend to not like the figures that you can actually see their face, because you almost always find something that you don't like. Anyways, so we don't have the dumbbell like joint. We've got just a normal up down. We are able to twist the head full 360. So all the way down. That's all the way up. Can't really do a head tilt. That's sad. Arms. We'll go the full 180. We are able to turn all the way around, and also here as well. Man, that is very disappointing. That is as far as that elbow will go. Severely disappointing. The wrist goes left and right, and it does do the full 360. This side maybe goes a little bit better as far as an angle. And then this one also is a left-right articulation. So yeah, okay, so looking at the legs, able to turn at the upper hip, or thigh, I should say. we do have the double knee. That's as far as it's going to go. And yeah, so that's pretty normal. Okay, so as far as the garb itself, I'm glad that it's not soft goods. The material is actually pretty good. I do like that. So you are able to move them around. So no complaints about that. So yeah, let's go ahead and take some pictures and we'll be right back. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the photos. I did make sure that I showed off the issues here with the hairline. One of the things I didn't show with the articulation is the body, however. It does have a slight twist left and right. You're not going to be able to do a full 360. And he is able to move up and down slightly as well. The other thing I wanted to note, you know, on the lightsaber, obviously we do have the hanger, but we don't have a hook anywhere on Anakin here. So I suppose Anakin is going to have to hold on to the lightsaber the entire time, which, you know, obviously, you know, if you're going to be displaying them, you know, it's not going to necessarily be the worst scenario. But I will say, you know, the articulation on this figure is not quite what I would have expected, especially since it's so much later in the line. I would have expected a lot more articulation. As far as everything else, though, I mean, it looks good. You know, the Jedi outfit is good. The look of Anakin is good as well. But my biggest complaints I have to do with the articulation as well as where to put the lightsaber. That really is the biggest problems that I have. Now, I wasn't really out to get this figure, so it was kind of a, okay, I've got him sort of thing. And like I said, it'll go well with some of the Jedi from the first third of the series. So, you know, definitely during the Clone Wars time. So I'm not too upset with that, but, you know, I would not go out and spend a whole lot of money on this figure. I'm glad I was able to get him on sale. So, yeah, so would I recommend him? If you're trying to finish out the line, yes. But you're not really going to be able to get him into a whole lot of cool positions from what I'm able to see. Now, maybe he's just, you know, tight and maybe just the joints need to be loosened up. But I just don't see you getting into a lot of really cool poses, unfortunately. So with that, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. I will leave a link, hopefully, so if you did want to purchase Anakin, that you could do that. It is going to be a referral link, so anytime you use one of those referral links, it does help the channel. So I do ask you, if you are interested in helping the channel, to do that. And then, yeah, so that's that. And also, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I ask you to do that, to subscribe. We do a lot of Star Wars Black Series figures, but you know, we do a lot of other things too, things that professional geeks might find interesting. So sometimes we do subscription boxes. The last one we made drinks. That was fun. But other times we do things like home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So if that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.